Hey, Wagwan! Welcome to Dutchy and Grill. This is a brand new Jamaican restaurant in Ely. Come check it out.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together